Clarity doesn't arrive the way that most of us were taught to expect it. Let me say that one more time. Clarity doesn't arrive the way that most were taught to expect it. It doesn't feel like a lightning bolt, it doesn't come with a checklist, and it doesn't announce itself with certainty. In fact, many women miss clarity altogether because they're waiting for it to feel dramatic. But clarity doesn't feel dramatic, it feels calm. I remember the first time I noticed it returning to my own life, not because I suddenly knew what to do, but because the urgency disappeared. The constant mental noise softened, the pressure to figure it out eased, and the feeling of being behind faded. Nothing had changed on the outside. My job hadn't shifted, my responsibilities were still there, my questions were still unanswered. But something inside of me felt settled. And that's when I realized clarity had arrived, not just in the form I had expected it. High capacity women often confuse clarity with certainty, but certainty demands guarantees, while clarity simply brings alignment. Clarity doesn't say, this is exactly how it will work. Clarity says, I trust myself again. That trust changes everything. When trust returns, you stop forcing yourself, you stop comparing your pace, you stop rushing decisions just to relieve discomfort. You become willing to move slowly because slow no longer feels like failure. One of the signs clarity is returning is you stop asking, what should I do? And you start noticing what feels right, what feels true right now. That subtle shift, that is a very subtle shift, but it is powerful because the truth doesn't demand action immediately. It simply asks to be acknowledged. And when truth is acknowledged, your next step becomes lighter, not easier, but clear. And that's why the work of the last several days matters so much. Stability before strategy, support before solutions, exploration before decisions. Clarity is not something you chase, it's something that emerges when your nervous system finally feels safe enough to listen. And safety doesn't come from being alone with your thoughts, it comes from environment, from being around women who understand what it means to carry a lot, from not having to explain why you're tired, from not being pressured to turn insight into action quickly. And that's why clarity often shows up inside a community and not isolation. If you're beginning to feel that subtle calm, that sense that you don't want to rush, that willingness to sit with questions instead of fighting for them, that's not stagnation. That's clarity returning. And clarity doesn't require you to decide everything today. It simply invites you to stay present with yourself just a little longer. And if you want to remain in that space quietly without pressure, then the VonSwy Recreation Station is there for you. And if you feel ready for a deeper private conversation, not to decide, but to honor what's emerging, that one to one support is available for that reason. And you don't have to sprint towards the future. You're allowed to walk with yourself for a while. Clarity grows when it is respected. And tomorrow, we'll begin gently exploring what becomes possible once clarity is no longer forced, but trusted. My name is Latasha Martin, also known as Techie Tasha, and I work with high capacity women who desire freedom and flexibility and recognize that community is the key. Again, it was great seeing you today, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Oh, and sidebar, please follow this and subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the little bell so you get notified each time I go live inside of YouTube. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow.